In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use some old formulas with the new dynamic array system. I have previously created videos back in the days when you had to do ctrl-shift-enter to create an array, but now this is a new system which is quite nice to use. So to create, I have data here for different days of the week, and it could be sales, it could be the number of participants, it could be anything. But this is just data to work with. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to create an array here. So I'm going to go equals, and I'm going to select my data, and then I'm going to press enter. You now have created an array, and you can tell because the data is got a box around it and it's shaded, so it kind of stands out as an array. And so what I'm going to do is I'm trying to figure out how many of these, what the count is for the Mondays, for each of the Mondays on the week. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do in the next formula, or in the next field here, I'm going to go equals sum, and then I'm going to go opening bracket, and I'm going to go if, and I am going to select the days of the week. So I'm going to go if this equals Monday, then I'm going to put a comma. We're going to select the values, and then if it's not Monday, then you're going to put a 0 in there so that I'm sorry. And then we're going to close the outside bracket, and then we're going to press enter, and you get 1534. And if you go through and add up all the Mondays, that's exactly what it works out to. So let's find out what the rank is for these ones, which is the top one, which is the second highest, and all the rest. So let's go into the next cell, and we're going to go equals rank dot eq. The straight rank only works on up to 2007, so we're long past that. And so what we're going to do is I'm going to select the value, the first value. So I'm saying, what's this one? And then we're going to put a comma relative to all of these. And then I'm going to put the ending bracket, and I'm going to press enter. And it's 15th. So because we want to find out more of the thing, we drag it down to the bottom, and you see what the ranking number is for each of these. That's how you use old formulas with the new dynamic array system. Please subscribe.